Hello children, welcome to my maths class. Okay, today we are going to start regrouping of numbers 1s to 10s. Okay, so in previous class and all we saw about how to do addition without regrouping. Okay, now we are going to learn about regrouping of numbers, addition of regrouping of numbers. Regrouping का मतलब क्या है? Regrouping मतलब ये carry forward होता है. ओके वंस प्लेस में जो नंबर है वो टेंस प्लेस में जाएगा कैरी करके. ओके आफ्टर दैट टेंस प्लेस का जो नंबर है उससे 9 से ज्यादा हो जाता है तो 10, 11, 12 ऐसे कुछ हो जाता है तो इट कैरी फॉरवर्ड टू हंड्रेड्स प्लेस. ओके सो आई गिव यू सिंपल एग्जांपल. ओके सो आई हैव ड्रॉन मैंगोज हियर. ओके so shall we start counting? Okay, count करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So there are 14 mangoes here. Okay, 14 mangoes. I have written 14 ones. Okay, so ones place में 14 mangoes है, that is 14 ones है. Okay, so 14 ones को कैसे लिखेंगे? So this 14 you have to write it as ones, tens. Okay, ये 14 ones में ones और tens. जो ये 4 है ये ones place में ही रहेगा and the one will go to tens place. Okay, tens place में carry forward करेंगे. Okay, so 14 ones में so 1 10 है. Okay, this one okay will be tens and the 4 will be ones. 1 10 plus 4 ones. We have to expand, we have to write it in expanded form. Okay, so 14 is equal to 110. 110 means 10. Okay, plus 4 ones. 4 ones means 4. So 14 is equal to 10 plus 4. 14 को हम 10 plus 4 करके expand करेंगे. Okay, hope you understand this concept. Okay, so now we will start writing this. Okay, here we have to write, we have to fill in the placeholders. Okay, so first one 14 ones. They have given 14 ones. Same example I have given there. First you have to write this is 14 ones. Okay, 14 ones means ones place में 14 ones है. Okay, so 14 में 2 digits है. So उसी को हम ones tens लिखेंगे. Okay, so this one will go to tens place and this 4 will go to ones place. Okay, so 14 ones is equal to dash tens plus 4 ones. So is tens place में क्या आएगा? Yes, 1. You have to write 1. Okay, next 17 ones. 17 ones में कितनी tens होगा, कितनी ones होगा? 1 tens and 1 10 and 7 ones. So first write ones, tens. Okay, dash tens plus 7 ones. Dash tens, that is 1 10. Okay, and 7 ones. Okay, next 25 tens. 25 tens is equal to 2 tens plus dash ones. Okay, so how many ones will be there? We have to write as 25. Okay, so 2 tens and how many ones will be there? Yes, 5. 5 ones. Okay, next 45 ones. So I am writing ones, tens. Okay, so 45 ones में how many tens होगा and how many ones होगा? How tens will be 4. Okay, for reference you can see this one. Okay, and ones 9 ones. Okay, next 73 ones. You have to write ones, tens. Then you have to see which place is missing. Here both blanks are there. दोनों tens में भी blank है and ones में भी blank है. So 73 ones में कितनी tens है? 7 tens and ones कितनी है? Yes, 3. Okay, so you have to write like this. Okay. Okay, next 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, we are going to do addition. Okay, we are going to do addition of 2-digit numbers with regrouping in expanded form. Expanded form में हम करेंगे अभी. Okay, fill in the placeholders. Okay, so first is 43, then you have to add 39 to it. Okay, so first you have to write ones, tens. Okay, okay, 43 इसमें कितनी tens है? Yes, 4 tens. Then how many ones are there? 3 ones. Okay, next you have to add 39 to it. Okay, first we will expand this. Okay, 39, you can write ones, tens here also, otherwise एक ही में हो जाएगा. Okay, 39 को आपको expand करना है. Okay, dash tens plus dash ones. Okay, so how many tens are there? 3 tens. And how many ones? 9 ones. Okay, so we have expanded 43 and 39. Okay, next step will be you have to add these numbers. Okay, so first we will start with the ones place. Okay, 9 plus 3. Okay, 9 plus 3 will be 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 को ऐसे की ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. Okay, I will tell the next step also how to do that. Okay, 12 को ऐसे की ऐसे ही लिखना है. So how many ones are there? 12 ones are there. Okay, and next you have to add the tens place numbers. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 tens are there. Okay, so 7, sum is 7 tens plus 12 ones. Okay, okay. Next step will be 7 tens तो ऐसे की ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. Okay, then 12 ones को I have told in the previous slide that what you have to do. 12 ones को कैसे expand करेंगे? इसी में ones tens है. Okay, इसी में ones tens है. So this 1 will go in tens place and 2 will go in ones place. Okay, so this 1 will be 10. Okay, 1 10 plus 2 ones. Okay, that's all. Okay, उसके बाद what is the next step? 7 tens and 1 10. ये दो tens है. Yes, so इन दोनों tens को आपको add करना है. 7 plus 1. Yes, 7 plus 1 will be 8. So tens में 8 number है. Okay, 8 tens. Then how many ones are there? We are left with 2 ones. Okay, 2 ones. Okay, so 8 tens plus 2 tens. Sorry, 2 ones. Okay, so 43 plus 39 will be 82. 8 tens, 2 ones. So 82 is the answer. Okay, next 36. We have to add 36 and 57 in the expanded form. Okay, same method में जो हमने first sum में किया वैसे की वैसे ही हम करेंगे इधर भी. Okay, so first 36. First you have to write ones, tens. Okay, so how many tens are there? 3. 3 tens. Okay. Next, how many ones are there? कितनी ones है इसमें? 6. 6 ones. Okay. Next, 57. We have to expand 57. Write ones, tens. Okay. So 57 में कितनी ones है, कितनी tens है? First we will write tens. Okay. 5 tens and 7 ones. Okay. ये लिखने के बाद expand करने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे? We have to add the ones place. Then we have to add the tens place. First we will add the ones place. Okay, 6 plus 7. Okay, so which is big number here? 7. After 7 you have to add 6 numbers to it. Okay, so after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 को ऐसे की ऐसे ही लिखना है. Okay, 13 write as it is in ones place. Okay, next 5 plus 3 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 tens. Okay, this is the third step. Next fourth step will be 8 tens को ऐसे के ऐसे ही लिखना है. You have to write it as it is. Okay, next 13 ones को हम क्या करेंगे? ones, क्योंकि इसमें 2 digits है, so इसलिए इसको ones and tens को अलग करेंगे. Okay, so 3 इसमें ones में जाएगा and tens इसमें 1 tens में जाएगा. Okay. Okay, so which number is there in tens place? 1. So 1 10 plus how many ones are there? 3 ones. Okay, is it clear? Okay, अभी ones अलग है, so what we have to do is tens and tens इन दोनों को आपको add करना है. Okay, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 tens and we are left with ones. Okay, how many ones are there? 3 ones. Okay, so 9 tens plus 3 ones. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now when we add 36 and 57, what is the answer? What was the answer we got? Yes, 93. 9 tens and 3 ones. So 93 is the answer for this. Okay. Okay, hope the concept is clear for you. Okay, thank you so much. That's all for today. Please do like and subscribe my channel.